What if the history of the world could be condensed into just one single day? If 4.7 billion years of existence would reflect 24 hours? We owe our fate to cosmic catastrophes. And the insurmountable force of life itself. Then it reveals that we are children of galactic luck, born in the final second of eternity.